In this video, we're going to show you how to fold up a Hills portable folding clothesline. What you need to do is pull the tab or the hinge towards you. Now you do this by putting your fingers right to the back of the tab and pulling it towards you like this, not up. If you pull it up, it won't work. You got to pull it out. So we pull it out like this, and then we lift it up slightly, and then we push the leg inward like this. And you'll hear a little click. That's the hinge locking into the folding position. We then lower the clothesline like this to the floor. Then we go to the other side and we do the same thing. So we come over here and again we lift up the legs a little bit. We pull the hinge towards us, put our fingers right to the end, right at the back of the hinge, pull it towards us and do this on this side. And that's the clothesline folded and ready to put away. So I hope this video has assisted you. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.